So last time we changed the view up quite a bit, um, and the biggest change is that on this recent view, we're loading all the images. And sometimes the images don't load. So I want to look at that and see what's going on today. So I think the first thing we should do is catch that, and we're going to pass it to our error view. We'll make a variable description of type string. And then instead of showing static text, let's show the description. And let's pass our error. Okay, so that is a big improvement right there, at least for in development. We may later on want to add something a little prettier. And let's, just so we can look at it in the log easily, I'm going to put in a little code that we'll delete before we're done here, certainly before we commit. And let's run again. Oh, right. I think that's spelled correctly. Okay. And let's filter by that emoji. I think what I'll do to try to trigger this, okay, good. So we got our first canceled. This confirms my theory, is that since it doesn't know the height of the image, it's possible for the pod image view to be on screen, and then say for instance if the pod image above it or below it is loaded, it could actually be pushed off screen, so out of the view, and it cancels the request for the image. I think what we'll do for now is what I'd like to do is just have it reload the image. So let's say if the error, the localized description, and this, we're going to have to come up with something better than this. This works now. Let's see, is there a, yeah, we're going to have to come up with something better long term, but I think this will do for now, just because it may not always be canceled, right? Like if the language is different. So if somebody's phone is not set to English, this isn't going to work. We'll come up with a more fancier solution later. Let's move that error view inside there. And then here, let's just load up a pod image view, pass it the URL. And I want to do another print statement here, just so we can see, I'll just say reloaded, just so we can see that our code is firing. I'm going to scroll down. Okay, so we already got our first hit. We'll scroll back up, we get a few more. So those images must have gone out of the temp file, and so it had to reload them. Hopefully in the near future, we'll fix that where we'll cache like a local image, either in our file system or a very small image in our core data store, and let it decide whether it wants to be in the database or in the store or in the file system. And then we'll pass that URL first. And any time we get an image, we'll save that new image. So let's delete this debugging code. We'll run one more time, and then that'll be it. All right, until next time.